Okay, so yeah, exactly. So including employee welfare and basic restructuring of the assets and all of that. And knowing that the world is moving, technology now, oil companies are thinking low carbon emissions, chemical components, and gas even. So you see, there is a lot of basically branching off, even for companies, international oil companies, they're beginning to look into other aspects. So we need to clean house. I mean, for years, NNPC has been bedeviled by irresponsibility, leadership irregularities. A lot of our function, they don't present. We don't even know what a financial statement look like for a lot of years. And we kept crying out, what is happening? You're paying staff, you're declaring this, you're making money, and then we don't know. This is the number one oil company in the country. Up until when subsidy was removed, NNPC they were regulators. They were operators in the system, not just operators, they are also regulators. So you can imagine they had a knife, a hammer, and all the tools. Exactly. Well. Yes, So, but somehow, bureaucracy had always waded into the management. It has always been from the management. We also heard rumors that time of subsidy, how they liaised with some of these other guys or companies or people to kind of truncate that subsidy, frustrating marketers, because marketers have to go through them to obtain petroleum, to get what they call it now, what they need, license and all that, to go out and get products before Dangote refinery. Yeah. So, I mean, NNPC is due for a reformation. NNPC Limited, that's what it's made once it's subscribed. All right. And I'm sure Nigerians, please, let's go out once the IPO comes out. Let's all go out and let's buy. It's our company, it's our oil. All right. Yes, we know that renewable energy has come, but the truth is that oil will not just go like that. It will definitely. So, I mean, there's always use. There's something that the world is still using oil for. That's yes, Africa, we are getting there. We're just, but they cannot put us under pressure. Our oil is now us. So we need to exhaust our resources. We still have that resource. We can't throw it. Okay?
There are a number of things we can do with it.
There are a number of things we can do with it. Yes. So we can make it cleaner. Refine better, all right? But our oil is still our oil. So let's subscribe. Let's go out, once it comes out very soon. I'm sure they're going to make that announcement. So let's all go to the capital market, security, connect our brokers, a lot of brokers.
Yeah, of course.
And maybe when that time comes, we'll also be telling you about it.
Yeah, definitely. We'll tell you about how to, yeah, exactly. That's how you need to subscribe. So I think this is a good one, just like you said. Being IP, going on public is a lot. There's a lot of transparency. The system, the regulators are on them to make sure that, because you don't just go public, you have to follow a lot of measures to help them sit up. And seeing this financial statement is very, very encouraging to less than 60-something% compared to the previous year. So this is a huge, massive gain. And just like Cyndy said, the goddess of talk, I think it's also something that we ought to start looking about. And let me tell you, in November, December, these are the most interesting period to invest in stock market, because from analysis, when it gets to, let's say, Q1, Q2, Q1 of every new year, there's always an increase in in stock prices. So a lot of businesses are rounding up Q4 2025, and then that would really affect the the impact in Q1 of the new year. So this is the right time. You're looking at some stocks or investment to key into. Of course, we talk a lot about this on this channel, and then we're also going to bring in a lot more. So you don't want to miss out on our analysis, policies, and a number of things that we'll be talking about. So let's just move into general view of business in Lagos or in Nigeria. Generally, what can people do in let's say Q4 2025 or 2026? But let me first start looking at this December period. I was having a conversation with a business friend of mine, and he was talking about December period is actually a period where people are really going to make a lot of money. In fact, you hear the word Black Friday, A lot of transaction is already going on right now. So you might be looking at some of the sectors or industries you want to key into. And just a very simple, let's just tie it down to what we'll be talking about. If it is real estate, just like you mentioned earlier, there are different angles you can key in, especially whether in Lagos. Some of these viable investment could be the short leg business. Someone was talking to me last week. He said, before 1st of December, there is no more short leg space in Lagos State real estate market. Everything has been booked up. That means the market or the demand is way more than the supply.
Yeah.
And some people, you don't have to build a whole complex. There are several houses or packages or apartments on the island that you can do what you can rent and then convert it into a short legs apartment. And guess what? You can recoup your cost of investment within 4 to 6 months. And then the rest of the month is profit.
Yeah.
So these are some of the businesses that people can do in 2025 or 2026. So what do you think about other form of business? I know there is one that you are into now. The energy business.
Yes. I mean, energy is the new. I mean, solar is the new oil. That's what I say. Solar is the new oil. I mean, you look around you now, and everybody's going solar.
Exactly.
And they've been given that. We have a mandate 2030. All right. Yes, we're going towards green energy, and then we're beginning with gas as a transition oil, and all of that. And seeing that, electricity has not paid off.
Exactly.
We have an installed capacity of over 12,000 to 13,000 megawatts. We have a generating capacity of over 8,000, but we're just able to translate. Okay, the transition is we're just able to consume, about 5,000 or make use of. So about 5,000 megawatts is just what gas was, and can you imagine just 5,000 plus?
That's really
exactly huge. So we are moving. The electricity sector is moving, but it's moving at a slow pace. So there are a lot of opportunities. So I want to talk about my sector very quickly, the energy sector. Especially for the solar. Now, because it's a new thing, yes, people are getting into it, but we have a lot of shortfalls for now. One of the shortfalls is labor. Shortage of those who are installers, professional installers.
Sure.
A lot of the guys you have now are not able to do the job professionally.
Wow, are you serious?
Because it's like they are not fast. Do you understand? So we have shortage of manpower when it comes to solar installation right now. Okay, so not just that. I don't want to use the word Alaba because they also have good things coming out of them. But you see a lot of people who can make installers. At the end of the day, you have to come back to doing reinstallation or something. So that is a debt right now that anybody, so in case you're wondering what skill can you acquire, pick up, your laptop or your phone, go on the internet, search for installers and professional schools, and then learn. Go and see what they're doing there and get yourself enrolled and learn that skill. Okay. So, a lot of people run away from marketing. That is also something
very sweet.
Very sweet. They don't understand.
I know you are very good man.
I don't know why people run away from marketing.
That's not the
People want 9 to 5. And I'm like, what are you going to get in a 9 to 5? What are you going to be paid? When you can make something. I told somebody, okay, look, one of my just closed a deal. Quietly, just in a day, she paid about 500,000. Just like that. And her salary is less than 500,000. But she has made it in less than, not even up to a month. Do you understand? So there's a lot to make when you are a marketer. Go and learn how to market. If there's any skill, that you need for 2026, it's how to sell. Go and learn how to sell. I think that's something we're going to talk about more.
Really? Like I say, I'm already.
You're excited? No, that's your forte, right?
You are not a seller. You are selling to you. You either learn how to sell, or you are being sold. Sell or be sold. If you are not selling, someone is selling something to you. They're selling transportation service, they're selling electrical service, they're selling food service, they're selling, in fact, people are selling to you. Those are the means where money is coming out from your pocket. And so, just like you said, of course, we'll have a time that will talk deep down on sales. Just like you said, selling is one of the strongest skills that can help you create generational wealth. And the beautiful thing about selling is that you don't need to own the product. Take for instance, in your position in the energy business. If I'm good in sales, I can come and meet you. I will sell this product for you for commission. If you're selling this for 5 million, I'm going to sell it for 5.5 million. And then I give you your cost, your selling price, I take my commission. Fastest way to make money. And that has been one of the things that's helped me over time, understanding how to sell. So definitely one of the skills you need to learn. If you are not learning anything, this is a single, I'm glad we brought this up. This is a single skill set that can help you. So look at wherever you are. Are you in the US? Are you in the UK? Because we have a number of you watching from the diaspora. Are you in Nigeria? If you need to pick up 5 books or 2 courses on one course on how to sell, and then look forward for the products that you need to sell that can give you commission, you are in need for a lot of money. Some days ago, someone reached out to me. I was like, hey, Financial Pro, I need to meet with you in the office by 8 a.m. I said, I'm not in the office by 8 a.m. I'm still at home around that time. He was like, what are you still doing by 10? I said, I'm at home, but I've closed the sales worth millions from my own.
Oh, yeah.
So selling is a very strong thing that
it is.
we should
Yeah.
definitely look at.
You know what? One of the problems people have is the fear of rejection. When you are told, no, I'm not interested, I can't buy. That's sort of
Weighing you down.
Exactly. So a lot of people don't know how to handle rejection when it comes to selling. That people say they are not buying today doesn't mean they will not buy tomorrow. Those things will be the ones to buy millions tomorrow from you.
Exactly.
Yeah. So you must be able to continue even when the chips are down. Sell it. And one thing about selling is once the door has opened, that's open.
What do you say?
Once the door has opened, that's open.
Of course.
Once it
Close the sale.
Yes.
We are closing for life.
Yeah, closing. Selling is fun.
Yeah, exactly. It helps you to learn a lot. To join our social media, the details will be on the screen or on the comment section. Join the inner circle, what's it called? The WhatsApp community. This is just a WhatsApp channel where you get updates and infos about businesses, investment, and also can get opportunity to get a one-on-one or information from either of us.